Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and you are in the kitchen with Lynn. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy cream bun recipe. I have my ingredients here, so let's get started. Here I have some flour, milk, essence and grated nutmeg, some granulated sugar, some brown sugar, baking powder, some red cherries that I did cut in halves, and some butter. Now I'm going to add the sugar with the butter, and I will use my hand mixer and mix the butter and the sugar for about 2 minutes. Now I'm not actually mixing the sugar and the butter to melt. I'm just doing it with a hand mixer because it's just a easier and quicker way of getting things done. So here I add my eggs and I mix again. I'll now add the essence, the grated nutmeg, and the red cherries that I did cut in halves. I'm going to give this a good mix now. And then I'm going to add some flour. Now I'm not going to pour all the flour into this mixture at one time. I'm going to pour the flour a little at a time. Give it a light mix and just fold the flour in. And guys, I will leave the measurements and the ingredients in the description box below. Here I am adding some milk, and stir it in well. Just combine it well. I'm not done. I'm gonna still now add some flour along with the baking powder and mix my bun well. This is the consistency that you should be having, guys. Look at this. So I've placed my mixture into my baking pans and I add a piece of cherry on the top. I'll now put the pans into the oven and let it bake for 20 minutes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Now this is my finished product, guys. Please like, subscribe, share, and even comment. And thank you for coming into the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you soon.